Hi friends, good morning. I am Chandrasekhar, Suvarna Career Academy, Bijapur, Karnataka. Friends, the Career Academy provides the training and coaching for the UPSA aspirants. Today we will discuss some of the important judgments. One by one, we will make separate videos for the important judgments such as the Golaknath case, the Keshavananda Bharati case, Minerva Mill case, Kiloto Holhan case, SR Bommai case. These are the very important landmark judgments as far as the UPSC exams are concerned. These are very important. First, we will discuss about the SR Bommai versus the Union of India case. Actually, what it is. This case is always referred whenever there is a imposition of the present rule or whenever there is anti-defection, whenever there is a floor test. So this SR Bommai case is very important. Let us discuss what it is. Let us see the background. SR Bommai was the Chief Minister of Karnataka from 1988 to 1989. In 1989, 19 MLAs from his party went to the governor and gave a petition saying that they are withdrawing the support from the SR Bommai government. The governor sent a report to the center and center dismissed the SR Bommai government under the Article 356 and President rule was imposed. And this was challenged in the Supreme Court as there was no opportunity was given to SR Bommai to prove his majority in the floor of the house. And the judgment for this case was like this. Let us see what is the judgment. The judgment is very important, which redefines the center state relations, which gives one type of the guidelines for the imposition of the president rule in the states. Let us see what it is. The judgment is the head count should be done only in the floor of the house. That is, the floor is the only forum where the majority has to be proved, which gives the supremacy of the floor test. That means the floor test has to be done only in the floor of the house. Okay, then, and this imposition of the president rule or the dismissal of the government can be questioned in the court. That is, Supreme Court can intervene. And the next part of the judgment is the 356. That is, the imposition of the president rule or the dismissal of the government can be done only if there is a constitutional crisis, constitutional failure, not the just administrative failure. That means if there is a simple administrative failure, the state government cannot be dismissed. That is what it says, which gives the guidelines for the imposition of the president rule. So this is one of the very important judgment in the history of the Supreme Court. Thank you.